let's whip up the quickest and simplest of gravy.
We're going to make a quick roux. It starts with a stick of salted butter, and you're going to melt that over medium heat until it kind of starts to foam. The most important part of this whole process is to continually stir. At this point, we're going to go ahead and add in some flour. We're going to add in equal parts flour to our butter. For this, it would be half a cup of flour. And then we're just going to stir. Keep stirring and stirring and stirring until it takes on a smooth texture. This would only take a couple of minutes.
Now for me, this is going to be fine. It's taking on a nice nutty smell.
It's still white, but not browned yet.
Now we're going to add some turkey stock. I made turkey stock using the carcass from the turkey that I carved up. You can use whatever stock you have, chicken stock, beef stock, whatever, vegetable stock. And we're just going to go ahead and start adding this in. Don't worry. Eventually, it'll stop getting thicker and it'll start getting thinner. And it depends on how thick you want it. That looks about perfect to me. Give it a little taste. I like to hit mine up with a little bit of heavy cream. It just adds a velvety texture to your gravy. Make sure if you are going to simmer it, stir it. It will burn the bottom, ruin your gravy.
Serve this up with some delicious mashed potatoes, maybe some roasted turkey. It's fantastic. It's just an easy gravy. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed that video. If you did, maybe do the likey, subscribe stuff. That would be great. Consider watching one of these other videos. They're pretty fantastic. At least I think they are. I think they are because I made them. So maybe consider watching them. If not, I don't know, go do something else. But have a great day. All right, bye.